Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create and remove home screen widgets on Motorola Moto X40. And to do this, you will need to free up some space on your home screen, so remove some icons like I have right here, then hold the finger onto your screen. You should see widgets, click on that. Then you can scroll down a bit and see the list of all widgets available. There's some app-specific widgets, and in this case, let's go for Opera Mini. We can reveal it. There's one widget. Now hold it and then place it somewhere on the screen. Now we can adjust the size of it by using these lines that were visible. And if you want to remove that widget, hold your finger onto that one and then drag it to remove. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.